So we're going to kick off the session with Andriy. He's a team leader with and he'll be telling us about in-situ solidification, the path towards semi-solid state battery mass production. And then after André, we'll be hearing from Eric, University of Maryland, and then the final presentation of the day is going to be by Chunmai from University of Colorado Boulder. So a very nice session, full of interesting research. So without any further delay, Andre, you can start, and to the audience, type in your questions. We absolutely love your questions, so keep them coming. And good luck to you.
Thank you, Kvasha. Hello, good afternoon or good morning if you're on the other side of Atlantic. So today I would like to explain our vision on in-situ solidification that in our opinion probably the unique way or path towards mass production of semi-solid state batteries. My name is Andriy Kvasha. I'm working at CIDETEC as solid state battery team leader, and my talk will have several parts. First of all, to one that don't know probably what is CIDETEC energy storage or CIDETEC, I will give you a couple of words about this. Then we will discuss solid state battery performance and manufacturing, especially main difficulties and opportunities. And I will present CIDEGEL platform. It's innovative semi-solid state batteries enabled by in-situ solidification. And finally, I will summarize my talk and address questions. So CIDETEC is a research and technological organization located in the north of Spain in San Sebastian region. So we are divided in three centers: energy storage, nanomedicine, and surface engineering. I belong to to energy storage. And in energy storage, we are around 140 people working with very different profiles. And my unit is material for energy, and we are 100 researchers there. And in this unit, I'm leading a solid state battery team. It's important to mention that we have 15 kilometers from here testing facility for larger batteries. In 2025, we will move to new building because this building is too small for us by the moment, and idea is to multiply by 4 our current capabilities. And also, probably it will be interesting for audience that recently CIDETEC established a spin-off company, 100% owned by CIDETEC. The name is CIDEGEL, and this company works and main activities production of different type of electrode for batteries and supercapacitors, and also medium and small series of different type of production of cells. For example, lithium-ion, solid-state battery, sodium-ion, lithium sulfur, etc., etc. CIDETEC energy storage currently, so we have together with CIDEGEL, we have different type of facilities. First of all, we can produce electrodes and cells at pilot plants level. And here you can see some photos of our critical equipment. We have 2 dry rooms with total area of 100 square meters. In smaller one, we work with lithium metal because dew point is -50. And in dry room number 2, we work with lithium-ion technology because requirements for water. Also, we have a very large testing lab. And here you can see a list of equipment that we have. So we have around 1,000 channels for coin and small cells. We have more than 500 channels for high current, and even 75 channels for module. We have several kinematic chambers, including walk-in chambers.